Today we're going to focus on the most effective way to get your battery domestic violence charge dropped. And the way to do this, one way to do this is through a witness statement. Now, with this witness statement, we're going to be showing the prosecutor that the police report isn't the whole story. And instinctively, I think we all know this. Police reports are biased, they're one-sided. And so our job, like Paul Harvey used to say, is we need to present the rest of the story. Our approach is going to be part fact and part spin. And let me give you an example of how the same facts can give you two different outcomes. So, years ago, a popular American shoe company decided to try to sell their shoes in Africa. So they sent two of their best salesmen to Africa to scout the new territory. And the first one reported back to the CEO with terrible news. Sorry, boss. We have looked everywhere. No one wears shoes down here, so we can't sell shoes to people who don't wear them. Sorry, done. The second salesperson then met with the CEO and couldn't have been more excited. Boss, this is the best expansion idea ever. We can sell all kinds of shoes over there. Corner the market because no one's wearing shoes. We'll own this place. It's that sort of thing, the same facts with different outcomes. That's what we do with our witness statement. We can put a totally different spin on what sounded like one fact situation. We do this all the time. Recently, for example, a prosecutor thought he had an airtight conviction against one of my clients because my client had violently pushed his wife down in their front yard and a neighbor saw the whole thing. So when prosecutors have independent witnesses, they salivate. They love this stuff. But the problem is that neighbor really didn't hear what was being said between my client and his wife. She only saw the violent push. So we then got a sworn statement from, the alleged victim, the wife. And we call this statement, by the way, a declination, a prosecution, a drop charge affidavit. But her statement said the reason her husband pushed her was because she told him she was going inside to get her shotgun. And this scared my client, and he was just defending himself, right, with the push to buy some time to get away before she got the shotgun. This push was self-defense. The prosecutor knew it and dropped all charges. But look, really, the police are so one-sided in their investigations that it gives us a real opportunity to explain the whole truth, not just the part that the police wanted you to hear so that they could get an arrest and send somebody to jail. I warn you, though, these statements are tricky, so don't do this alone. Get an attorney. Don't waste this opportunity with just some weak statement from the victim that she doesn't want to press charges. Because look, prosecutors don't have to drop it just because the victim demands it. But, and there's always a but, prosecutors do have to drop the charge that they can't prove. And with the right witness statement, you're going to make their case unprovable. And the state will have no choice but to drop the charges. And this is a beautiful thing. This is what we want. So, my name's John Guidry, and so if you're facing a domestic violence charge in Orange, Seminole, or Osceola County, give me a call. Let's see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching. I wish you luck on your case. Take care.